Hello friends! Warm welcome to this video. How to change relationship status visibility on Facebook. Worried that your relationship status is visible to everyone on Facebook? In this video, you will learn the exact working flow. Let's begin. Open the Facebook app on your phone. From the top corner, tap on your profile picture. Scroll down the page, tap on See Your About info. Scroll down and locate the Relationship section. Next to Relationship, tap on the pencil, Edit icon. Under the options, tap on the Sharing With icon. Now tap See All drop-down for more options. From the audience list, tap Only Me to hide it from everyone. Or tap Friends to make it visible only to your friends. Or tap Friends Except to hide it from selected people. From the list, select the names you want to exclude. Once you have selected your audience, tap Save at the bottom to apply the changes. Now your relationship status is fully private and visible only to the audience you selected. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.